All right, guys, so I'm going to try to give you a quick update on the Cafe bike. I got tied up in that CR for a little bit and wasn't able to put this thing up on the lift. I only have one lift in a tiny shop, so I work on different projects here and there. So building this GL's Cafe bike is a little different than just building a dirt bike, because this is more of an art form to do this kind of stuff. I don't like to just throw things together like this. I want to kind of think it out. Like, I'm having a hard time with the tank, really trying to figure out how the tank is going to sit up there, and I'm going to make it work. But I feel like if I find another tank that fits the lines that I want better, I'll probably do that. So, but right now, I painted the tail section here, and I've been using some stuff for just doing quick metal stuff. This 2X Rust-Oleum stuff, it's a paint and primer. It works really good if you prep your surface well. Painting is very important when it comes to surface prep. You got to make sure that you do. So this whole thing here, I sanded it all, I scuffed it. I hit it with a red scuff pad. I use some cleaner, some like Prep-Sol, and I wiped the whole surface down and everything, so it's nice and clean, and you can see everything is nice on here. And this paint holds up really good. I'm going to let it dry overnight. I put 3 coats on here. Should be good to go. I masked everything up here, and this tire, it's coming off. I didn't bother masking that. I'm going to get all that powder coated, so it doesn't matter. And the exhaust is going to get wrapped, so I didn't go too crazy there. So everything here is ready to go. Now I can start putting the tank on it and start pulling the dents, which is going to be another video. You can see I got the relocators here to move the tank back and down, so it's back and down. Forks are on. So I'm going to start pulling the dents on it and start doing the body work on the tank and getting that all good to go, and start doing the paint work on the tank. That's going to take a little bit, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update what's going on and where I'm at with this. And then I didn't forget about it. These other bikes and jobs that come in, I have to move this one out to work on those, so it keeps getting pushed back, and I really want to get it done. So just letting you guys know I'm still working on it. It is coming along, and this is where I'm at. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned and subscribe so I can keep giving you guys updates on what's going on. And I'll see you on the next one. It's Tepco Side Repair.